Hey friend, we're just going to go over final thoughts on the Treble Booster build today. I'm going to fix a couple of mistakes that I made, one on the schematic and one on the PCB. Just talk about a few other things. Let's call up our schematic that we made first. Remember when we switched the PNP to an NPN transistor and we had to switch all the polarities? I forgot. It was this boost potentiometer. Basically what it does at the moment is when you turn the knob down, the boost goes up. When you turn it up, it goes down. So let's fix that. All we have to do is switch the two leads. We're just going to trash these two connections. Let's mirror this. So that the 1 is up top. The pad 1 is up top now. What I did was I mirrored it first and then flipped it 180 degrees. Now we can just connect it nice and easy from here to here and there to there. All right, that fixes the schematic. And the issue I have with the board, remember I told you to put the input on this side and the output on that side so that it would be right when we look at it from the bottom? I did it exactly the wrong way. All we have to do is switch these two jacks. This one goes over here and this one goes over here. You would have to change the connections. That's not really a big deal. So we're going to trash this net right here. We're going to take it, rip up, click on that one. Switch it to the bottom layer. Now we're going to take a net from, oh, we got to put a via in there, don't we? I'll go from here to here to there. Now that's connected. And we'll do the same thing for this one. There we go. I'll hit this rat nest and we're good to go. And that's all we had to do for that. On the first video, I said that buying a kit or PCB and putting it together is kind of like playing Legos. I just wanted to say that there's nothing wrong with that. I have one myself that I did and I'm very happy with it. I bought it from Mad Bean Pedals. It's a VFE tractor beam. It's my favorite phaser. Just didn't want to disparage anything. I just didn't want to say that I thought low of selling, buying, or building from a kit. It can be extremely fun. On the video where we did the enclosure, where we were drilling, I made a big scratch on the side and I said maybe we should put a cloth down. It's probably a bad idea. You don't want a cloth anywhere near a spinning drill or a lathe or anything that's spinning that can hurt you. It would probably be best to cover the side with masking tape before you lay it down. That's a better idea. On that same video, I also put the center punch on the side while holding it like this. Pretty dangerous thing I did. Sorry about that. I would always set the part down while using a center punch. Keep your hands away from the pointy side. One last point would be that we didn't talk about hookup wire. Love My Switches sells it in large amounts. Usually I buy it from Small Bear. We kind of left Small Bear out because in the Treble Booster project, we didn't find the items we needed on his site. He sells more things that are harder to find elsewhere. There are times when you definitely need to go there. I buy the hookup wire there because he gives sample packs. I'll link it in the description. He gives various colors and it's smaller amounts all wrapped together, and it's very useful. I ended up very happy with this build. Hope you're happy too with it. It's a lot of fun. It's such a great circuit. It just adds that something that you can't get somewhere else. Oh, let's give a shout out to one more guy. I like Brian Wampler. He shows you circuits. He explains things to you. He doesn't just show you Wampler pedals on his channel. He enjoys using all the companies. He's seems like a nice guy. I'd like to meet him one day. Yeah. Give him a look. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you soon.